In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace without an account. First, a quick heads up on what you can and can't do. Without signing in, you can typically browse listings, view item details, and get a general sense of prices and availability in your area. However, you won't be able to message sellers, save items, or post your own listings. If you need to contact someone or use advanced features, you'll have to log in. With that in mind, let's get started. Open your web browser. Any modern browser works well. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the images and listings load smoothly. If you prefer a cleaner experience, you can use a private or incognito window to avoid extra prompts, though that's optional. Now click the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you type web addresses. When it's highlighted, type facebook.com/marketplace. If your browser automatically adds HTTPS, that's fine. Press enter to go to the page. You should land on the Facebook Marketplace page. Since you're not logged in, Facebook may infer a general location based on your connection. You can still scroll through the feed, open item previews, and get a sense of what's available. Depending on your region and the current interface, you might see filters like category or price. Use whatever is visible to narrow down what you're looking for. If everything doesn't load immediately, give it a moment. Images and details can take a bit longer without a signed-in session. At some point, a login window will likely appear over the page. When it does, click the X to close the login interface. This should take you back to the listings underneath. Be aware that this prompt may reappear as you open item pages or navigate to related sections. If it pops up again, just close it the same way. As long as the page underneath is accessible, you can continue browsing. A few practical tips as you navigate. Keep your searches broad if filters are limited, and open items in new tabs so you don't lose your place. If a page stops loading or the login prompt won't close, refresh the page and try again. And remember, to see complete seller profiles, message sellers, or finalize a deal through the platform, you'll need to sign in. That's it. Open your browser, use the address bar to go to facebook.com/marketplace, and close the login prompt when it appears. With these steps, you can explore Marketplace without an account and get the information you need before deciding whether to log in.